all of our tools come with straight probe, hook probe, hot stick adapter. The bushing adapter, you're going through feed throughs, doing some underground. The bushing adapter is optional. If you're working overhead and underground, make sure you're using that bushing adapter. I've done training around the country, and I've seen some folks, they're using probes without cover up. And they're going into that hot bushing just with the metal probe on primary. What if that metal probe without cover up, like we put on nice cover up, what if that primary potential, what if there was a bleed wire, a concentric nearby? What if? A static wire. Arc flash, man, full potential. No good. That ain't no good. Make sure you use the proper accessories, and you're going to put those right on the end of that cone tip.